I've asked Alex to come down to the unit. Not entirely sure how this is going to go down. Got a little surprise for you.
Oh, you haven't. Yeah, Aston Martin Vantage. What have you done? Do you know how expensive these parts are?
You'll be alright, won't it?
What has it damaged? This must do something, but I'm not quite sure what it does yet. This has been categorised as an S. It runs, but it doesn't go into any gear. So quite clearly the impact is happening here. Sound check. I found the headline. Hello. Have you seen how much a headlamp is for one of these? Can you make the gearbox work, please? Headlamp. It's British, so it wants a cup of tea. I know you've been in a nasty accident. Broken. This thing is still here and I'm not sure what it does. I have bought you a nice British tea bag. How that's happened, I have no idea. Looks expensive. It likes to. Second hand, 2,250 quid. At least it's got a Ford Transit key. Oh, I'm just over the moon. You bought a lemon.